How to hire a freelancer on Upwork. So there's two ways of how you can actually hire people. The first way is hiring people from a job posting that you have created. So I'm going to show you both ways. For example, let's take this person right here, and if you want to hire them, you have to click on this button that says hire. It will fill in all of this information depending on your job description. You can change some things, and if you wanna send this, you have to click on continue right here at the bottom, and they have to accept it. If they like the terms, they will accept your job and you will have hired them. If you want to hire a random person right here, we will go to talent, we will go to discover. It doesn't matter, we are just going to choose the first person that we see. For the sake of this tutorial, we will read their rates, what they're able to do, what they can offer you, and from their profile right here, you will see these three dots. You want to click on them and you want to click on hire. And now here you have to explain what your project is going to be about, whether it's going to be hourly pay or a fixed price, and you have to fill in all of this information right here: start date, work description, so on and so forth. And again, at the very bottom, after you have checked this, you have to click on continue, and you will send them the offer, and if they like it, they will message you and accept it. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.